Now we are in the edit, and if you wondered, hey, this was a little bit brighter a moment ago, you're right. You can go here to options, settings, and select here your preferred appearance, like the light mode, like the dark mode. I like the dark mode, so I click here save, and then we are back. Third thing we have to do is load in some designs. Of course, we can that we can edit them. You can do this with load, or even easier, you open the folder where your designs are in, select the designs you want, and simply drag and drop them into the tool. Boom, you can start. And this is a huge advantage of flying upload, because it is not path related. You can load in designs from every other place on your PC too. For example, I have here another folder with another design in, so I take the whole folder, put it in, and boom, I have also this design in. And I will also show you in a few minutes, when we have created an XML file after writing the listing, that you can reuse your data every time. You can move them to your C drive, D drive, Google Drive folder, wherever, and you can always work with it and always use it again, and no data is ever lost. So we begin in the global edit. This is this one. You can edit here for Redbubble, Spreadsheet, TeePublic, Zazzle, and so on. So you write your listing once and can upload to all these platforms. Another thing is the Amazon and Displayed. These are two separate edit windows, because they have specific options like collection, category, or Amazon with brand, and also bullet points. So I would say we start writing our first listing. I write a very simple listing, because otherwise it would be too time consuming. In the Pro version, you also have here a keyword window to help you finding good tags. And yeah, this would be it, more or less, writing the listing. This is now finished to upload on the platforms I mentioned earlier before. But what you should do, of course, is make a trademark check first. Click here, and then you can see, okay, this has somewhere a trademark. You can click here on this trademark list and see exactly what office, what niche class. You can see here details. You can here replace it if necessary, and you can also whitelist if you say, hey, this is general speech, so it does not matter, trademark, this trademark does not matter for me. You can simply whitelist it, and yeah, it will not be read again the next time. Okay, after you did that, you have to select the options. So for whom should this design be? I think this can be for men, women, and youth, and also for, yeah, let's go with white. And this is it. You're now ready to upload. All, of course, you have to do is you have to configure your account settings for a Bubble spreadsheet, but this is then the next video. But this is how you generally work. And after you configured your accounts the first time, this is all you have to do to get started, to get uploaded. So now we have tagged for these platforms. Okay, perfect. Next one is the Amazon edit, probably also important for many. So you click here, then this little big window will open, and you see you have now a lot of options for Merch by Amazon. You can select your standard shirt, you can select the marketplace, you can type in the price you want, select the types, of course, and also the colors you want to use. Let's go with this three this time. And if you want to print it on the front or back, or some extra options like you want to upload on draft or private, if you don't check any of these boxes, it will be uploaded and published. Okay, then we have here the same game. again, a very simple listing, just that you see it, of course. And this is a cool thing. For your description, for example, you can make a right mouse button click and generate the descriptions from all this information you put in here. So this makes it even easier for you. You can make it even easier for you by using profiles. This is in the pro version, where you can predefine the marketplace, the prices, the products you want to use, also the color schemes. And this is also a huge advantage, especially with the new Merch by Amazon update, where you can now upload as many designs as your tier allow. And another cool option is, of course, you have tagged it in English, but maybe you also want it for the German market, or maybe also for the French market and Italian market. So now you have the problem with the translation, and the cool thing is you can select here all, then it will translate automatically to all platforms here, or all marketplaces, no matter what you selected here. Or you can select also sell, and then only the marketplaces will be transferred and translated you selected here, so the German, the French and the Italian one. Also a huge advantage if you don't have to do this click by click by click, or even worse, go to the Google Translator and translate it yourself. This will save you a lot of time. And again, you have here the options for the trademark check and also the trademark list. And then you have here the German one, you have here the French one, and you have here the Italian one. And you see the speed of the trademark check. It's more or less instant, and you will never find this anywhere faster than in Flying Upload. Your Merch by Amazon listing is written, then click on save. And the cool thing is, when you write your Amazon listing first, the tool will transfer everything it can from the Amazon listing to the global edit. So you don't have to edit everything again. And also the text will be extracted and so on. All you have to do is select again, hey, it should be for men, women and youth, or whoever it should be for. And this is it. Your listing is finished for the global edit, for a bubble spreadsheet and so on. For Amazon, your listing is also written, and of course you could change this text here, and the Amazon listing won't be affected. Okay, we wrote our second listing, and now we have our third one. Let's say I want to copy data of one design, for example the first one. Then I click on copy, enter the number, in our case it was 1, and then click OK, and boom, all data from here will also be there. And then just simply change the things you want. For example, hey, this one I want in black, and the title is a bit wrong here. Then you can simply add this here, and your listing is created. But of course, what we have here is also the display window. So you can click on it, and then also again, what can be transferred from the global edit to the normal displayed window will be transferred, and then you just have to enter the extra things like the collection and also the categories. And a cool thing is, because of course display is wall art, so you can simply select here the background you want. For example, if you want to have a green background for this one, you can select this, save this, and the tool will automatically scale your Merch by Amazon design to the right size for display, and also set this background for you in the screen, just for display, of course. And you see, another advantage Flying Upload gives you is you don't have to create extra files or something like that. You simply load it in, edit like you want, set the extra settings, finished. Another advantage I forgot to say you is for Amazon. Let's go back to the one we edited for Amazon. This is this one here. You of course here have products like the pop sockets or the tote bag, who have another format than the Merch by Amazon standard t-shirt format. And you see it already here, it's scaled automatically. So this means you can select all products and prepare them all in the tool. Click on upload and the tool will finish and scale everything for you. So you just need one file, and yeah, you can even set the background for the pillow or for the pop socket. Looks like this, and then you can select here the one you want, and also the prices and marketplaces. So I think you know now what the edit can do for you, and in the next video we will go about the settings you have to do one time that you can upload forever.